Meat packing plants are seeing a jump in the coronavirus affecting people in their plants, disrupting the nation's food chain. In Mississippi, some are speaking out in fear of their health at work. Well, 12 News' Alex Love takes us to poultry plants where workers are speaking out.
Despite being a mostly rural area, Scott County has seen the highest spike over the past week in coronavirus cases, bringing them to a total of 296 as of Wednesday afternoon, the third highest in Mississippi. Several employees with the poultry plants are accusing their work sites of contributing to the hotspot. Outside the main employee entrance at the Koch Foods plant in Morton sits a sign reading "Heroes work here." But for some, the plant's actions are not living up to those words.
I feel like they should have shut down until it was over.
Employees of this plant who wish to remain anonymous shared their frustration with management being careless for their health.
Our lives should be more important than some chicken. We're really risking our lives and our health and our family. I make boxes in people every few seconds. Can't hardly even turn around without touching somebody.
Some people have to take care of their mom. Some people have to take care of their grandma. Like I have to take care of my child. And I can't be in my mom's house really because of the virus, and we don't know who has it at the plant.
Both workers did add in the past few weeks, Koch Foods has forced every employee to take their temperature before their shift and provide face masks. The state health department is taking notice.
In our engagement with the poultry industry, they have been, by and large, very aggressive in making sure that their workers were screened coming in for the most part.
The significant number of cases amongst workers at these facilities, by and large, are not necessarily being transmitted at work, but they're being transmitted in many instances in the communal living spaces that many of these workers live in.
One worker whose sister tested positive at the Forest plant doesn't believe these steps go far enough. And if you can't be tested but still feel sick, you're expected to still come to work.
There is a QA lady. She had came back when she was on a Thursday to get her paycheck. I was like literally less than 2 feet away from her, and she had the coronavirus. She told me herself.
Under the Center of Disease Control recommendations for poultry processing workers, droplets of COVID-19 contaminating surfaces, including tools, workstations, and shared break rooms, can be another overlooked factor spreading coronavirus. But for a lady in D-Bone, not taking this risk will cost her entire income.
They have an insurance where you can pay for disability. I haven't even made it through the 60-day mark to where I even got insurance. I don't even have health insurance. If you're sick and you miss work, you're getting pointed unless you have the coronavirus. You're allowed to get 7.5 points. If you get to 8, you're terminated. So people are still going into work because they don't want to lose their jobs, whether they're sick or not.
On numerous occasions, we reached out to Koch Foods' corporate office for further comment and got this response.
Koch Foods.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Alex Love, news reporter for WJTV in Jackson. How are you today? This is not the first time Koch Foods employees have had disputes with management. Back in 2018, the company had to settle a nearly $4 million lawsuit after sexual harassment charges were brought forth against them by mostly Latino workers, and that settlement was exactly 1 year before the ICE raid back in August. Reporting in Scott County, Alex Love, 12 News.